To play a CD, press Mode, then turn until CD is highlighted. If another audio source is in use, press CD. Press the icon of the disc you would like to play. Skip tracks using the Seek buttons. Press and hold the Seek buttons to fast forward or reverse through a track. Track controls are also located on the steering wheel. The pause control is located here. Press CD settings to access Random, Repeat, and Scan CD features. Note that these features may only apply to a single disc, not all CDs at once. Touch the selected icon to play, and again to cancel the feature.